Right guys, just before the video starts, I just want to say if you want to join our Discord server and come hang out, the link is in the description down below.
Coming through, she on her way to fuck. It's a lot of love, not a lot of love.
Same thing, bitch.
Vape? No. 1992 ET Money Box.
Yo, Mum, what are you saying? Check out the new Garms.
Wagwan, my slime. That drip looking icy today.
Safe, G. No cap?
No cap. Be easy, boss man.
I want to hear you say that one more time.
Right. Why do they call him Bigfoot? For a start off, he's got two of them, so he'd be called Big Feet. And secondly, the whole of his body's big. So they just should call him Big.
Put boxing, jaws 3-5, no scores for man if you want that. Don't talk like you're bad, you ain't on that. Combat juice got spoiled.
There is nothing anybody can say to me that is going to induce me to change my mind.
You won't even give it a go?
Absolutely not a chance.
Are you sure?
Do I look as if I'm not sure?
Well, I just...
Point shoe. Point shoe. Point shoe. Shoe. Point shoe. Shoe. Point shoe.
No!
Sorry, I didn't want anything else with that.
Oh, sorry about that. Sorry. Tell him no.
Thank you, nice one.
You know what they say about cliffhangers? Where did you go? Where did you go? Oh. Shut up! Okay, no, I'm done. You're pissing me off. You are pissing me off!
My friend showed me someone using this to make fake freckles, so I'm gonna try it. Okay, so first I'm just gonna like... Okay. Oh my god, I can't do it.
Rocks! I'm begging you. Please turn 2 lights on for this video. Oh my god. Take it off.
Okay, I literally thought people were lying when they were like, oh my god, yeah, like, there's a picture in the bottom corner for upload, like, that's not mine. But that's not in my camera.
My nan isn't dead, and I actually have 2 nans that are still alive. Thank you very much. Unlike some people that only have 1 nan. So it's like I've got a PlayStation and an Xbox.
Girls, you telling us that your pussy
is a whole Bluetooth. It does a whole bloop connect when you meet another girl.
I wonder why, I wonder why. I'm not putting my dead granddad in a bit of rice. That isn't going to make him alive again. He's not a piece of salmon.
She got hips, I got a grip for a lot of ass. Don't need to have more, I know it's sweet, I like it. Straight up. Where did my chin go?
So you wanna be hardcore with your hat to the back, talking about the gaps in your raps.
Put a finger down, annoying white girl edition. Put a finger down if you have videoed or taken a picture of yourself crying.
Whose horse is that?
So in conclusion, the M6 is going to be quite packed today, so make sure you've got your petrol. Back to you, John. Haha, cheers, Amanda. A 12-year-old boy has just been molested.
Alright everybody, so for math lessons, I just found this out, okay? Everything multiplied by 9 will equal 9, so like 3 times 9 is what? 27, 27, 2 plus 7 is what? 9? Okay, so let's do another one, right? So that's crazy. So let's do another one. Another one. DJ Khaled. Anyway.
Double digits.
Double digits. Okay.
Yep.
54 times 9. 4 times 9 is what, Danielle?
36.
6, 3. 9 times 5 is 45. Plus 3 is 48. 4 plus 8 is what?
12.
12 plus 6 is what?
18.
18. Okay, this is where it gets crazy, right? So 1 plus 8 equals 9.
Oh. Oh, nice. Oh. Nice. Oh. Nice sizzle. Oh. Oh. Nice. Ooh, yeah. Oh, ravioli, nice. Yeah.
Put a finger down if when you were in year 11 you made friends with a girl from France on Instagram and you were initially scared of being catfished, but you checked her account and it dated back months and she had friends that commented on her Instagram post, so you were like, sweet. And then you made friends with her boyfriend and a few other of the people in her French friendship group and it was great. And then soon after that some of your friends became friends with this French group and it was great. But then French girl and French boy broke up and oh my god, the drama. Then you and your best friend end up fancying French boy and the conversations get a little bit sexual, but you're very scared because you're friends with French girl. You and French girl get in a massive argument and then French girl dies the next day. But it turned out there were never any French people. It was just a girl in your school catfishing you for your nudes and your secrets by creating an entire French village and killing one of them off.
Madame found this cool website.
Are you ready? This is very cool. So this is all about eyeballing. So the first one is bisect the angle. That's pretty close and I get a score. Equidistant from the edges. Center of the circle.
Okay, this one's always quite well.
I reckon there.
Ooh, that was a good one. That was a good one.
Make a right angle.
Yeah.
There. No. Points of conversion. Close. Parallelogram.
So how long have you been playing this?
Hours.